I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play blocked games in Roblox. Many players encounter regional restrictions preventing access to certain experiences. We'll explore straightforward methods to overcome these barriers, allowing you to enjoy a wider variety of games. This guide will help you understand the underlying reasons for these blocks and provide practical solutions, ensuring you can connect with more content from anywhere. Let's dive in and unlock your Roblox world. One of the most popular and secure ways to access blocked content is by using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN works by routing your internet traffic through a server in another location, effectively changing your virtual address. This makes it seem like you are browsing from that server's country, bypassing regional restrictions. There are hundreds of VPN providers available, offering various features and server locations worldwide. Another method to consider is using a proxy server. A proxy acts as a gateway, forwarding your requests to the internet and receiving responses on your behalf. This can also mask your true IP address, making it appear as though you are connecting from the proxy's location. While some proxies are free, it's crucial to choose a reliable one, as less secure options might compromise your online safety or data privacy. Always prioritize trusted services. When using any method to bypass regional blocks, your online safety should always be your top priority. Always research and choose reputable services to protect your personal information. Be aware that using third-party tools might sometimes conflict with a platform's terms of service, so it's wise to review those guidelines. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy a broader range of Roblox games while keeping your online experience secure and positive. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.